Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you all of you for listening to my presentation. My name is Aulia Maharani Hermantyo. I am from Universitas Muhammadiyah Magelang. I compiled this paper together with Mrs. Endah Ratna Arumi and Mrs. Ardin Primadewi. I will explain my presentation about implementation of Monte Carlo for recommendation system in Convection MSME. MSME are productive business owned by individuals or business entities that have met the criteria as micro-enterprises. Three types of business are included in MSME: culinary business, fashion business, and agribusiness. The development of MSME in Indonesia has considerable potential, especially in the confection sector. Confection MSME. MSME or micro, small, and medium enterprises confection is a business that procedure closing from the process of material preparation, serving screen printing to finishing. Confection MSME in their financial management really needs systematic planning. One of them is in planning sales target, monthly income, and monthly operational need. The monthly operational need in question are the costs of raw materials, employee salaries, operational car costs, equipment maintenance, and other. Common problems: how to solve the problem if the number of operational need is greater than the income. The purpose is this study aims to provide recommendation in the form of visualizing sales target for confection MSME so that MSME income can be equal or greater than the predicted operational need. This recommendation system can tell the difference that is minus between income and predicted operational needs using the Monte Carlo method. Research step: number 1, identification of problem. Number 2, data collection. 3, determination of data processing method. Number 4, recommendation analysis. Number 5, conclusion. Identification of problem. In this step, researchers look for problems that occur in confection MSME by observing directly. The result of this problem identification will be used for the process of making a prediction system. Next, data collection. In this step, the researcher collects data from one of confection MSME by means of observation and interviews. Determination of data processing method. The method used in this research is the Monte Carlo simulation, which is a method that is widely applied in solving probabilistic problems. Monte Carlo method is a computational algorithm that uses random samples repeatedly to get results. The Monte Carlo method uses several parameters in the calculation process, where each calculation process uses a random variable, so that the more iteration carried out, the more specific or accurate the result will be. The step for calculation the Monte Carlo method. Number 1, collect real sales data. Number 2, setting the probability distribution. Number 3, calculating the cumulative distribution. Number 4, set a random number interval. Number 5, generating random numbers. And number 6, calculation simulation Monte Carlo method. Number 1, collect real sales data. The data to be processed is obtained from sales data in the previous period. Number 2, setting the probability distribution. The probability distribution is determined based on the number of sales frequencies, and this probability distribution is used as a reference in making the cumulative distribution. The formula to find the probability distribution is dP equal F divided by TF. dP for probability distribution, F for frequency, TF for total frequency. Number 3, calculating the cumulative distribution. The cumulative distribution is used as the basis for grouping upper and lower intervals. The first cumulative value is equal to the first probability value, while the second cumulative value and so on are obtained from the calculation of the results of the probability distribution of the period with the cumulative distribution value of the previous period. Number 4, set a random number interval. The random number interval is formed based on cumulative distribution value that has been obtained in the previous stage. Random number intervals aim to form a range that will be used in determining random numbers or generating random numbers. Number 5, generating random numbers. Calculation of random numbers can be done by using the range between function in Microsoft Excel, or it can be calculated using the LCG method by setting the values of A, M, and C. The formula to find the random number is Zi equals A times Zi minus 1 plus C mod M, provided that A and C is less than M and Z0 is more than 0. Zi for determined initial number, A for multiply constant, C for constant of addition, mod for modulus, and M for limit value of random number. Number 6, calculation simulation Monte Carlo method. The simulation process of the Monte Carlo method serves to find a prediction for the next period. The simulation process is carried out by comparing the result of generating random numbers value with predetermined random number interval value. Monte Carlo method simulation. From the operational need of exciting convection MSME, it's predicted that using the Monte Carlo indicates that there are fluctuations in costs incurred every month. This fluctuation is related to the monthly income because the number of operational needs or MSME are in a loss condition. This recommendation system can provide a minus value difference between income and operational need in the form of visualization of sales targets for Convection MSME. This is sample of data prediction using Monte Carlo method. This is a sample for January 1st week, and this is January 2nd week. The list of operational need and income prediction is listed in the table. Recommendation system. The formula to find the recommendation system is SR equal B minus A. SR for recommendation system, B for income, A and operational need. This is a visualization of recommendation system. I will explain a little about this histogram. For 1.1, the income is greater than operational need. So there is no minus value for the first week of January. While for 1.2 or January 2nd week, it can be seen that income less than operational need. There is a minus value, or it can be said that Convection MSME will experience losses. Blue and orange are income and operational need, the results of Monte Carlo simulation, and gray or recommendation system, the result of recommendation system calculating. Next, conclusion. This research is expected to be able to provide new insight, especially in the MSME environment, to make it easier to maintain the stability of their business. This research is expected to be able to provide feedback to the owners and admin of MSME Convection so that they can determine what business strategy should be carried out if the monthly income figure is lower than the number of rational need. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.